Hey guys, and welcome back to Awen Lutherie. Today I'm going to be preparing this guitar body blank out of this elm slab. I'm going to be cutting it into a smaller, more manageable piece and using a router sled to level it. So here we go. Alright, that worked out pretty nicely. This is now pretty much flat and parallel on both faces. And you can see there is no rocking. That router sled works really well. So I have got a finishing depth of about 85 millimeters for this section now, which is massive. It's almost twice as much as I need for my telly style body. So I'm going to essentially resaw it in half this way, but my bandsaw won't take this full. Let's see, how wide is it? It's about 40 centimeters wide, which is too deep for my bandsaw, unfortunately. So I'm going to use the table saw to go in on this end, in on this end, and then finish it off with the handsaw. Got some really nice spalting actually to come out on this. Very happy with it. And that is it. We have two body blanks prepared, ready to go now for solid body electric guitars. This one is coming in at about 43 millimeters thick, which is bang on where I wanted for an upcoming T-style build. This one is a little thinner at about 35 millimeters thick, which will be really nice with a top added onto it. So thanks very much for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for the next series where I'm going to be turning this new body blank into a full-fledged electric guitar. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again soon.